multiplication and division of integers. Now for some of these, it is possible to logically explain why these rules apply. So let's have a quick look. If I give you something like positive 2 times positive 3, what we can do is we can use the group effect and say 2 times 3 means I have two groups of plus 3. So 2 times plus 3. So it's plus 3, which equals plus 6. 2 times 3, 6. If I have a negative and I say 2 times negative 3, it means there's two groups of negative 3, which means 2 times negative 3, and negative 3 equals negative 6. So a positive times a negative is a negative. The last one is too hard to explain now because you don't have the necessary knowledge about algebra yet. But once you've done chapter 5, I would like you to ask your teacher, why is negative 2 times negative 3 equal to positive 6? At this stage you can't. And due to this fact, we are going to teach you just the rules. So the rules for multiplying and dividing is exactly the same. So same rule apply for the same circumstances. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, if my signs are the same, in other words, if I have a positive times a positive, my answer will be positive. If I have a negative times a negative, I will have a positive. And that is also the same for when I'm dividing. So when I'm dividing, exactly the same. If the signs are the same, positive divided by positive, my answer is also positive. So positive divided by positive is positive, negative divided by negative is positive for multiplication and division. So we can see that if they are the same, so signs the same, then my answer will always be positive. So if they're the same, it's positive. And I do show you that over here. Same signs is positive, different signs is negative. So the other rule is, if this is positive and I multiply that with a negative, my answer would be negative. So negative times a positive will be negative. So different signs, and I hope I can write it there. So different signs will lead to negative answers. So same signs positive, different signs negative. This is only when I'm multiplying and dividing and not when I'm adding and subtracting. So please look at the examples that follows.